Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be discussing 5 online business ideas that are suitable for seniors. Let's dive right in, shall we? Online tutoring by seniors is a great way for students to receive academic support and connect with experienced individuals who can provide guidance and mentorship. Seniors who engage in online tutoring often have years of experience in their respective fields and possess a wealth of knowledge and wisdom that they are eager to share. One of the biggest advantages of online tutoring by seniors is the convenience factor. With the rise of online learning platforms, seniors can now connect with students from all over the world regardless of their location. This means that students can receive tutoring from the comfort of their own homes without having to worry about transportation or scheduling conflicts. In addition to convenience, online tutoring by seniors can also be more affordable than traditional tutoring options. Because seniors are often retired or semi-retired, they may be willing to offer their services at lower costs than professional tutors. This can be especially beneficial for students who may not have the financial resources to pay for expensive tutoring services. Another benefit of online tutoring by seniors is the personalized attention that students receive. Seniors who engage in online tutoring are often passionate about their subjects and genuinely interested in helping students succeed. This means that students can receive one-on-one attention and support that is tailored to their individual needs and learning styles. Overall, online tutoring by seniors is a valuable resource for students who are looking to improve their academic performance and connect with experienced and knowledgeable individuals. With the convenience, affordability, and personalized attention that online tutoring provides, students can receive the support they need to achieve their academic goals. Starting an e-commerce store can be a great way for seniors to earn extra income and stay active in their retirement years. Here are some steps they can follow to get started. Seniors can start by identifying a product that they are passionate about and that has potential market. This could be something they make themselves, such as handmade crafts or baked goods, or something they can source from a wholesaler. They can create an online store by using platforms like Shopify, Wix, or WordPress. These platforms offer templates and tools to help build an e-commerce store without coding or design experience. Seniors need to set up payment and shipping methods to ensure that customers can pay for their products and receive them in a timely manner. They can use payment gateways like PayPal or Stripe and shipping providers like UPS or FedEx. Seniors can promote their store through social media, email marketing, and advertising. They can also participate in online marketplaces like Etsy or Amazon to reach a wider audience. Shop owners need to provide excellent customer service to build a loyal customer base. They should respond promptly to customer inquiries and complaints and ensure that their products are of high quality. Seniors should keep learning about e-commerce trends and technologies to stay competitive. They can attend webinars, read blogs, and join online communities to stay up to date. Starting an e-commerce store may seem daunting at first, but with the right tools and mindset, seniors can successfully operate an online business and enjoy the rewards of entrepreneurship. Seniors are a valuable and often overlooked resource when it comes to virtual assistant work. With many seniors possessing decades of experience and knowledge across various industries, they have the potential to be highly effective virtual assistants. Here are some ways that seniors can become virtual assistants. Seniors can use their years of experience in a particular field or industry to offer valuable insights and support to businesses. For example, a retired accountant could offer virtual accounting services for small business, while a former teacher could provide virtual tutoring or curriculum development services. Many seniors possess excellent communication skills, having spent years communicating with people from all walks of life. This makes them well suited for virtual assistant positions that require strong communication skills, such as customer service or administrative roles. As retirees, seniors often have more flexibility in their schedule than younger workers. This allows them to take on virtual assistant roles that may require non-traditional hours or part-time work. While some seniors may be hesitant to embrace new technology, many are eager to learn and adapt. With the right training and support, seniors can become skilled at using the latest virtual assistant tools and software. Overall, seniors have a lot to offer as virtual assistants. By leveraging their expertise, communication skills, flexibility, and willingness to learn, seniors can provide valuable support to businesses in a variety of industries. Starting a blog can be a great way for seniors to share their experiences, interests, and knowledge with the world. Here are some tips to get started. Choose a topic by considering what you're passionate about or what you have expertise in. This could be anything from cooking to travel to gardening. There are many free blogging platforms available, such as WordPress, Blogger, and Wix. Choose the one that suits your needs and level of technical expertise. Create a name and tagline that reflects the topic and tone of your blog. Design your blog by choosing a design template that matches your style and topic. Consider adding photos or videos to make your blog more visually appealing. Create content by writing posts about your chosen topic. Consider including personal anecdotes, photos, and videos to make your blog more engaging. Promote your blog by sharing it on social media and with friends and family. Consider joining blogging communities or forums to connect with other bloggers and gain more exposure. Engage with your readers by responding to comments and encouraging discussion on your blog. Consider asking your readers for feedback or suggestions for future posts. Starting a blog can be a fun and rewarding way for seniors to share their experiences and connect with others who share their interests. With a little bit of creativity and effort, anyone can start a successful blog. As seniors, creating and selling online courses can be a great way to share valuable knowledge and skills with others while also earning some extra income. Here are some tips to get started. Identify your expertise by thinking about your professional experience, hobbies, and passions. What are you knowledgeable about, and what skills do you have that others might be interested in learning? There are many online course platforms available, such as Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare. Research and compare each platform to determine which one is best suited for your needs. Plan your course by deciding on the course topic, length, and format. Create a detailed outline of the course content and determine the best way to present it. Create high-quality content by using your expertise to create engaging and informative content. Include videos, images, and other multimedia to enhance the learning experience. Research the pricing of similar courses and determine a fair price for your course based on its value. Use social media, email marketing, and other online marketing techniques to promote your course to potential students. Engage with your students by responding to questions and providing feedback to your students to create a positive learning experience and encourage them to leave positive reviews. Remember, creating and selling online courses takes time and effort. But with the right approach, it can be a rewarding and profitable experience for seniors looking to share their knowledge and skills with others. Thanks for spending time here with me today. Please subscribe so you don't miss any new videos like this one, and I'll see you next time.